Hello, in this presentation, I want to show you an accurate solution for sending and importing data across a network using a user form file. From the active folder, I move two files on desktop and consider this location as first PC. At launching the XLSB file, the user form interface is shown. The XLSB file is hidden and not accessible, only the user form is shown, and if there are any other opened Excel file, it will be in the background, but selectable from taskbar. As you can see, for an accurate selection, when the mouse is moving over a command button or text box, it will be highlighted. By clicking on Quality User Form Picture, another user form will be shown, and it's possible to switch between them by clicking again on the picture. By pushing my logo picture, a shortcut on desktop of this interface file, it will be created, useful if the XLSB file location is in another folder/location. Before applying data, all the user form fields should be filled correctly. To cycle between the text boxes, after filling in the value, push Tab button, and the next text box will be selected. As you can see, when the input data is outside the imposed range, the box will be highlighted. Now, the input data can be stored by pushing Apply Data button in the other Excel file moved on desktop before. Now, the print preview window appears if we need also the report to be printed or saved as PDF file. If the input value is way out from imposed range, an error message appears. It is possible to reinitialize the interface by pushing Reset Interface button, then all the filled values will be deleted, and you can start from the beginning. There is a non-selectable text box that keeps the records of the number of data applied into the other file. By switching to the other user form, the work principle is the same. Only the data will be saved in another sheet, within the other file. The interface can be minimized/maximized, in order to work with other Excel files or not. By pushing Update Server Centralizer File button, the file on desktop, containing the input data, will be copied on server location, see Data Collect folder. Now, I've opened the processing data file, and by selecting in cell U1, the needed data, the active sheet will show data from one or other sheets with input data through interface file. For both selections, the data will be obtained with formulas from two hidden sheets in this workbook, and the values out of range are highlighted by conditional formatting, with formulas also. A desktop shortcut for this file can be also generated, as you can observe. In this case, the desktop shortcut is needed by the other person who collect and process the data, filled in by first person, in another network location. At Update Data button push, all the data containing in the file data collect.xlsx file copied through network will be updated in the two hidden sheets of processing data.xlsb file. I will show you an example of conditional formatting formula used to highlight the cells with values outside the imposed range. As you can see, the formulas inside the cell contains references to hidden sheets. I will reveal them, in order to better understanding of updating process. In the updating process, the data collect file is opened, and all the data in each sheet are selected and copied into processing data file, in corresponding sheet. All this process is running in background, and after is done, the data collect file is closed, without saving it. As you can see, at U1 cell value content changing, the data processing sheet will be populated either with data from one or other hidden sheet. Also, user form interface file has hidden sheets inside. For each printing form is a template sheet, and a sheet where are stored operator names. Those sheets are hidden on file open, and not accessible. At switching in VBA window, we can see inside, the 3 sheets, and the 2 user forms, where is defined the whole code. In conclusion, the interface file can be on the first PC, in any desired location, in same folder, or not. With the data collect file, this one will be copied in the desired network folder, from where, in the processing data file, from network folder or PC2 folder, the data will be imported, and processed as needed. I hope you like this presentation, and understand how powerful Excel can be, and how many solutions offers. Till next presentation, I wish you all the best.